Siggy, somebody call Siggy. Come on, you retards. There's Steve Barisi, the cutter.
Action! Action! You're tickling me, frog!
He's gonna cut down that tree.
No, he isn't.
I mean, cut a hole in it, and then we're gonna explode it. And we'll get that in video too. It'll be number.
Yeah, sing it!
He's cutting a hole in it so we can put our Tannerite bomb in it. And then I'll shoot it. And it'll go down. Hopefully. And then our next one's going to be that one right over there. You see it? See, we just knocked that one down. Sorry I'm wiggling it so much. Sorry. Freaking itchy. Crying pieces out. I know it's not that interesting here, but it'll be more interesting soon. You retard. There's that.
Is it on? Okay, so for the next phase in our tree, we're going to try 2 pounds of Tannerite. Tannerite is a binary compound that when mixed together with a catalyst, it becomes somewhat explosive if shot with a high caliber rifle like a 223 or 5.56. Oh, this one's hard. This one may not work. Something happened to it. I wonder if this one did that too. Uh-oh. These ones may have gone bad. I've never seen that before. We're going to try them, but I don't know if they're going to be explosive anymore. I've heard these have a shelf life, and we might have found it.
Nice going. Nice going. Putting bomb stuff all in it.
We might have to go back and get 2 brand new containers of it, Nick.
And we'll save it. Okay, you don't know that.
I don't think this will work.
Let's try it.
Let's scratch that. Set? Okay, so we learned a little lesson here. I had these 2 containers of Tannerite in my car for about a month, and this block of I don't know if it's the cat. Close to me. I feel like you're way too close. You ready? Okay, start it over because I don't. So we learned a little lesson about Tannerite. These first 2 bottles we tried to do, the material in here has kind of become a solid conglomerate. It's not mixable. It's no good. They were in the back of my car, which I'm sure gets about 100 degrees in the summer. So I'm taking it these are ruined. We have no way of mixing them. So we ran back to the shop and grabbed 2 more. This is how it's supposed to be. They're just these fine BBs here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix up 2 of these in this big container here. Just dump that one in. I'm going to mix them one at a time here. This is the catalyst here, this gray stuff. Don't ask me what the chemicals are because I don't know. But you're going to put in 2 scoops of this, and then we're going to seal it up and shake it real good. Once this has been shaken, it then is ready for activation, which this material needs to be shot with a high-speed bullet. I think going over 23 or 2,500 feet per second. We're going to use our AR-15, which is 5.56. Trust the old 55 grain full metal jacket bullets. They work really well. We've shot several of these. So if you look here, you can see now those white pellets are all kind of evenly coated gray. That's what they say to look for to indicate that they've been mixed properly. So what we're going to do is get that to settle down and pour in 1 more. It's going to be tricky. I might actually mix this one in this container because it's another mixing container, and then I'll dump them together. So 2 scoops in here. Don't knock that one over, please. So let me get these guys mixed. This will be a little harder because it doesn't have as much room to bounce around. And then we're going to walk over. I've already cut a big notch out of this remaining tree over there. We cut the first one completely down with a saw just because I didn't want to have 2. They were kind of intertwined. We're going to see if Tannerite, 2 pounds of Tannerite is enough to break that next tree off. I'm not sure if it may still be more mass to the tree than Tannerite can work on. So, but we'll give it a good college effort. Looks like we're not going to quite get all of this in there. Okay, mixing. That's this one, right? Alright, so come on over here, Nick. You guys stay right there. Let me get my, can you grab my hard hat? I'm going to be right under the tree there. Alright. I think this tree is not going to fall on the same angle as this one. Let's come at it from right over this way. Looks like it's going to go that way. So, you can see here I've got this notch cut out. Pretty good size for this. I'm going to put this in and then I'm going to pack a few things around to make it nice and snug in there so that when this stuff starts to expand, hopefully it takes the tree with it. I think that would be really cool to see. But we have blown up trees before and it's not always as impressive as you might think it is. But we're going to give it a good try. Nick's going to be our gun person here today. And what I want you to do, Nick, is aim a little low on it because I think it's mixed better down below. Okay? Alright, go ahead and cut that and we'll regroup here and get the gun loaded up. Again, here's what we're using. This is my AR-15. I built this. This was one of my projects last year. It's a Delaware Machinery lower. CMMG 5.56 M4 LEP upper, which has the wasp finish, which is really durable. I've got Troy Industry Battle flip-up sights with tritium inserts. This is a Aimpoint Comp 4, really nice red dot scope, and because I live in New York, I have to use a fixed stock, so I don't get to use one of those nice retractables like a lot of you folks out of other states can use. So we're going to get this loaded up. We'll be right back. Let me see this. Our gunman today is going to be Nick. I got to turn this way, you're dark. Nick, he always gets to shoot Tannerite. I never get to have fun anymore. Also wanted to say, this is my action saw here. This is my Husqvarna 455 Rancher. I use this saw every year to cut a lot of wood, and it's a great running saw. So 20-inch bar on it. So anyhow, we are going to be back here in just a minute. Sit tight. Alright, so we're staging behind this huge stump here, just for safety nannies. Everybody here has earplugs on and is going to be behind this tree when we fire. Nick's going to be firing the AR-15 momentarily. We're looking at about a, I don't know, 60-yard shot over there where the tree, we're wondering if we can drop with some 2 pounds of Tannerite. Okay, you guys all stay back. And wait a minute, Nick, let me get ready here. Whenever you're ready, let her rip. Guys, duck when it goes off, okay? We have a miss. Down! There it goes! Woo! Beautiful! Woo! 2 pounds of Tannerite takes... Guys, here a full couple seconds has gone by and we still have a huge plume of smoke. We're going to go ahead and walk over and look at the carnage here. So now this first tree here is the one I took down with a chainsaw, and we decided to just have a little fun on the next one, and we successfully took it down with 2 pounds of Tannerite. And that's a bigger trunk, absolutely. So here's the tree here. Let's get in and take a little closer look at it. What we had here, staged literally right here, actually it's a little bit warm even, we had our Tannerite sandwiched in right in here. And after 2 shots, Nick successfully hit it. And actually after 1 shot, he successfully hit it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm finding a bullet here.
Can I have it?
It's a little hard to shoot when
Can I please have it?
when the stump's taller than you. They're resting.
Can I please have it?
There's our
Can I have it, please?
5.56. This, I don't know, this is probably the one that he missed with, because I can't imagine
Can I see
the one that went into the Tannerite.
Can I see?
But anyhow, y'all get the point. This is a nice, you can see how thick this here is. It was literally just blown apart. Now, of course, it's not real solid wood. It's an old dead tree, but...
The only reason I missed is because it's hard to shoot when the stump's taller than you know?
All right, so I'm going to be turning off here. Going to cut some of this up. This could be firewood. So, we got the beast down. It was quite fun. Over and out, guys. I'm looking at this tree as it dropped. When it hit the ground right here, you can see the tree literally cracked right in half there.
Dad, there's something in there.
In what? Yeah, it's an old table or something. I saw that yesterday. So anyhow, we're gonna I'm gonna have the kids get back a little bit. I've got one more little tree here that's standing. Actually, it's not a little tree, but it's a skinny tree, tall one. I'm gonna drop that, and then this will be the rest of our firewood for the year. So.
Hey, Dad. Cutting down that big tree right there. Well, not really that big. It's pretty skinny. And it might head towards me. I'm not sure. We already cut down 2 ones that was at that stump. Let's hope this one doesn't head for me. Okay, so my dad's gonna be cutting down that big tree right there. So my dad's gonna be cutting down that tree right there. Oh, sorry, I'm zooming. Right there. Fired up the saw. It's gonna go down soon. Siggy, move! Stronger than I thought it'd be. There you have it. A big tree brought to its knees. Or its branches. There's the cutter. Right there.